Parrots are found all over the world in various colors and with various features. They are found in multiple sizes, colors, shapes, etc. Cockatoos, true parrots, and New Zealand parrots are the three major types of parrots. Parrots are primarily found in tropical climates and temperate climates. Parrots are recognized for their colorful plumage, which includes single colors, vivid colors, and rainbow hues. The sizes of parrots may differ from small to medium. Compared to other birds, parrots have a smaller lifespan. Cockatoos, Amazons,